spill a tea right now. I'm gonna spill a tea. I'm gonna spill the tea. So I think a lot of my fans are, all of my subscribers are in Philippines. Some are in India, and some are in Germany. Ay, mga Germany pala. Hi, sa other country. Thank you for loving me. Well, I'm gonna spill the tea now. So, kapag Pilipino kayo, pwede kayo mag-vacation dito. Pero sa mga ibang country, pwede ko naman to i-English dito. Kasi more in English talaga ako. Di nyo ako nakikita ng Tagalog. At, pero ngayon, Tagalog ko. So, I'm in Tagalog Philippine right. I'm in Tagalog mode right now. So, alam niyo yung BTS, right? Bangtan. Bangtan. Magka-come back dito sila. Magka-come back sila sa June 1, 6, 8 p.m. 6 p.m. Mga 6:30 p.m. Babalik sila. At saka, sabi ni Suga, it's very welcome to be in the Philippines. Like, right now, and they're in the Philippines, Steve. Kung fangirl talaga kayo ng BTS, sobrang excited kayo na yun, pero kung blink kayo, pwede lang naman na magnood ng mga video para di ka malungkot. Pero I'm super happy because I'm a fangirl in Blackpink and BTS. So I'm really excited to see the boys in our TV over there in the TV. So I'm just gonna say it again. The fangirls in the Philippines, the Bangtan boys will come back in June 1 in Philippines TV, 6:30 p.m. Make sure to watch that. Bye bye, Aries.